The world, and welcome back to a beautiful sunny day out here in Sweden. We don't get sun that much, so it's really exciting to see it once again. And what's more exciting is that my Arctic White NG95 is back. It's covered with a little bit of snow right now, but it has been repaired and it's looking brand new again. So I'm very happy about this. But as long as the weather is like this outside, I will make this car rest a little bit. So it should be parked up here. We got my wife's TTID Aero, and we got the OG 95 Aero that we have been building on the channel the last couple of videos and the last couple of weeks. So it has been through inspection once again. We had 8 remarks. 7 of those are gone, so very happy about that. I have one last one. They didn't like the handbrake activation, or what you say, on the right rear wheel. They wanted it to bite a little bit more, so we will adjust that. But in the last video we installed the JT Tuning 3-inch exhaust. So this exhaust is a stainless steel exhaust, which is really nice. And today I have installed a new tune on the car because the car was behaving like shit. It was terrible to drive and very uneven in the performance. Sometimes it pulled good, sometimes it didn't. So I read out the file and I got a new file from my friend Joel Artisan, which is a master of tuning. He has helped me with several cars before. So of course I reached out to him to help me with this one. So now we have like a basic stage 1 tune, but it's done to perfection. So today we are going to take the car out, test drive it a little bit. And I have this external microphone, so I thought that it would be cool to test out, to put it on the back so we could hear the exhaust for a little bit, and also put it in the engine bay because we installed an open air filter. So I suspect it might be very loud inside of the engine bay, but we will do a little test, and we will do a few test pulls as well. So I will just unlock the car, could be a good start. And we will start this bad boy up. Of course we could roll down the windows a little bit to hear the engine purr. Might not be able to hear so much. But we will take it for a little spin and see what it has to give. So one nice thing is of course open SID, so you could see all the values. It is very good. It feels like naked without it, so we will see if things are working as they should. Like I said before, it was acting so harsh between the pulls. Sometimes it worked quite well and sometimes it didn't work at all. It was like cutting everything off, and it was like hitting a wall when you start to push it. So we will start with just some light pulls in normal mode. So on the shifter you have the sport mode that you could activate, so it will hold on to the gears a little bit more. And this car just sounds so good. And as I said, beautiful weather is nothing that we get too much of in Sweden this time of the year. So we got green light, almost. Pulls so good. The good thing with dual tuning the cars, I mean, you feel so confident driving the car. Before the car was acting like, I don't know, like a spoiled child or something. One time it didn't want to go at all, the other time it went like crazy, and often it was just cutting you off, so it wouldn't pull any further. So very strange behavior, and that type of behavior makes you don't want to drive the car at all. And it was like pulling so much fuel out of the tank. I've been fueling this car like maybe 4 times since I got it, and it has been like emptying out the fuel tanks so quickly. So I guess something was very off with that tune that was in the car before. But now it feels a lot better. You can see by that pull right there, it was like just like magic. It was pulling so good. In the last video I wasn't able to do a like full throttle pull because it was a lot of snow and the car was acting up a little bit, and it's still a lot of snow, but we could give it a try to just hear the noises. Yeah, started to spinning right away, so not the best. So I think we should set up the microphone in the back of the exhaust, do a little bit of driving and see what it sounds like. So now I don't have a GoPro, so it will not be attached to the rear of the car, but we will get the sound from the rear at least. I will pull over to the side right here and we will set it up. I mean, this is a good sounding exhaust. It just feels like it rumbles so good. We'll see if we could attach it here. I think it's still connected. So I have no idea how this will turn out in the video, so I'm just experimenting right here, and you will just follow along. So this will be exciting. We will see. attach it down here and we will see how it sounds. This will be pretty fun to see in the video afterwards if it works or not. And if it's a nice sound, maybe we could do more of it. So now I have put the shifter into sport mode, so we can see what it does with the sport mode activated. This is a very fast car, and this is like, yeah, it's a stock car. We have added a catback exhaust and the open air filter, and then a magical tune, and it doesn't hesitate one bit. And it could be a problem to add a lot of horsepower with the torque converter on the automatic gearbox, but this shifts so smooth. It shifts quick and it shifts very smooth. So I mean, all props to you. This is just amazing. So we will do another pull, and you can just see that the repetition of this car is just amazing. It just performs. I mean, put it to the test, and yeah, should be good to go without any hesitation at all. And you can see that this car has done 344,000 kilometers. So it's quite a bit. Make one more pull, but take away the sport mode. Man, I love this. I mean, I'm not too big of a fan of automatic cars, to be fair. I like my manuals to be able to shift yourself, but this is very nice, and I mean very comfortable when you're driving around in the city, and very comfortable for like daily commute as well. The only thing you want is to have a little bit lower consumption. So I mean, more power and to be a little bit easy on the throttle, yeah, you will have a lower consumption. But yeah, this is just so much fun. With the right tune, you will just eat Volvos for dinner. I mean, the combination of the exhaust, the tune, and the open air intake, it just brings the whole experience. Like I said, no flashing engine lights, no hesitation. You just feel so comfortable. You feel like you are in good hands. The things just work. And you could push the throttle, wide open throttle. It would just keep pulling and you don't have to worry about nothing. Man, this is the good life. Life with a good tune. That's where it starts. Good vibes all the way in this video today. Big shout out to Yuval. I will put a link to his Instagram down below if you want to interact. This car works super, and as I said in the last video, we have some more work to do, more performance mods to do. We have fixed like the basic stuff, and now we need to add a little bit more, so I will give you a little bit sneak peek. Here we have a box from DO88 with a little bit of goodies and something here that will make the handling a lot better. Some more coming up in the next video. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.